The Trinamool Congress Party Meghalaya held a block-level meeting on the 2nd of August 2022 in the Ampati Assembly constituency in order to assess the state of grassroots election preparations as the election in Meghalaya, which is on the ballot, draws closer. Beta Singh MDC and Ampati Block Advisor Sanjay Koch and Ampati Block President Grace C.H. Sangma presided over the meeting. The Ampati Assembly constituency's top concerns were discussed during the meeting between Tmc'S leaders and local residents. The leaders also reviewed and discussed the preparations for state's upcoming assembly election preparations. The meeting was attended by Sanjay Koch, MDC Beta Singh, Malangkot Ji Sangma, District Coordinator Southwest Garo Hills, Nehru Di Sangma Among Para MDC, Grace Sangma, Block President Ampati, and other committee members were also present.
Ya sumani bakwa nga kandakin dake agana kita kusyong dia dalo Ampati block level committee ni sonbi kepa thombi mongani nga sokpana manimna namin kusyong a aro thomani rango dongpae tengtang agan kuphatseni na ko takaza mano anga mengsa angni kusyong aniko jenmana parakna kataska jeanri yang kepa sumayo singni delgepa former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma aro on baksana tengtang MLA rang MP rang Delhi songjen maau singni garu khasi kusikuba it sidelo ranapna nanga aninba Delhi songjen maau protest ka hachem yako singa dao nikinga Lok Sabha au ranapna kata proses kainga ha unigaman anga namin kusyong a yan an singni delgapane daktelaniko kena sakani kitong inga ani angade namin kusyong a unigaman an sing achik chatrang namin kusyong na kata nanga aru yakora chakna kata nang chomota yako jinsalo ra chakaha an sing garu khasirangba blongen an thangthangni kusko namin an singni assembly sessionrango an sing zakatele zakhalna kata mangen aru an singni officerango an singni kusko an sing zakatele zakhalna kata mangen unigaman anga namin kusyong a ya kusko tawra napna kata process kanina anga central government ko